Hello and welcome to Leadership Emotional Development LLC. This is the second core level workshop from our System Theory group, especially designed for leaders of all industries. This workshop will provide you with the theories of decision making and the procedures to develop a precise analysis so you can make better decisions and apply them in your leadership career to become the successful transformational leader you deserve to be. Corporate decision making is successful as long as there's a glue to bind the organization together in the form of charismatic leaders or an organizational culture that values coherence and imposes stability. Once any of these conditions are removed, organizations will then fall into a self-defeating trap wherein the process of corporate decision-making is impaired, leading to the loss of competitiveness of the company. But strong leaders are known for recovering quickly from the ramifications of poor decisions. They think of a decision as a step to learn and grow from, and do not get bogged down in self-pity or a mirror of failure. To recover quickly, they must learn and master the mechanisms of decision-making process. This workshop will provide you with these tools so you can lead effectively at all decision-making process levels. Decision-making. What do managers and leaders do? They do not really do the actual work of an organization, but primarily what they do is to make the decisions necessary to allow the people who do the work to do it as effectively and efficiently as possible. Decision making is the process of identifying and choosing alternatives based on the values, preferences, and beliefs of the decision maker. But the more important thing to consider before even beginning to make a decision includes figuring what the problem is, how important the decision is, how many available resources it would take to implement the decision, and when would the decision be made. Leaders and managers will hopefully learn how to make the right decisions by taking the right course of action and see this action as the beginning of a lifelong journey to become a better decision maker. Decision trees. Decision trees are tools that have many practical applications in a wide array of management decision making, including return on investments and risk analysis, making decisions on new products or service development, and location analysis during the analysis of capital expansions. These are characteristics of decision trees. A decision tree is a schematic representation of an alternative available to a decision maker and their possible consequences. The term gets its name from a tree-like appearance of the diagram. Decision trees are particularly useful for analyzing situations that involve sequential decisions. A decision tree is composed of a number of nodes that have branches emanating from them. Square nodes denote decision points, and circular nodes denote chance events. Read the tree from left to right. Branches leaving square nodes represent alternatives. Branches leaving circular nodes represents chance events. After the tree has been drawn, it is analyzed from right to left. That is, starting with the last decision that might be made. If chance events follow a decision, choose the alternative that has the highest expected monetary value or lowest expected cost. Artificial intelligence in business. With the era of deep learning already here, executives today count on a database of models and simulations to turn for all kinds of analysis and decisions to be made. In the field of retail, marketing, and sales, all applications have provided a new and more reliable tool in market forecasting process automation, and decision making. Several artificial intelligence applications in business has enhanced their decision making as follows. Marketing decision making with artificial intelligence. There are many complexities to each marketing decisions. Organizations must understand customer needs and desires, and to align products to these needs and desires. Customer Relationships Management, CRM. Artificial intelligence within CRM systems enable its many automated functions, such as contact management, data recording and analysis, and lead tracking. Recommendation systems. Here, artificial intelligence system learns a user's content preference and pushes content that fit those preferences. This can help you reduce product bounce rates as well as to craft better targeted content. Through expert systems, artificial intelligence has tried to replicate the knowledge and the reasoning of experts through so-called expert systems, which are a type of problem-solving software as follows. First, the creation of automation, efficiency, and artificial intelligence. Here, artificial intelligence has been able to hasten process and provide decision makers with reliable insight. Implementation of social computing, which helps marketing professionals understand the social dynamics and behaviors of a target market. And of course, opinion mining, which is a kind of data mining that searches the web for opinions and feelings, a way for marketers to know, receive feedback. Do not forget, we are here for you. If you have any questions about this workshop or any leadership issue, please send us a note from our website located at www.leadershipemotionaldevelopment.com or send us an email at led.management.consultants@gmail.com. As always, for immediate needs, please call us at 803-881-8066 or 540-435-6964.